Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm going to be sharpening this hatchet up with Makita's cordless grinder. This is the LX3 version. Alright, you've seen some of my other videos. If not, click on my channel, they're all in there guys, and the tech. Alright, so the model of this grinder is as follows, and where is it? There you go. That's the model, which is DGA 45. It's there. Alright, let's go. Now you can see this is totally blunt. Guys, so that is a lot better. So I'm going to see what it's like on a few bits of wood. This is a really hard piece as well. With a soft wood. That's a lot better. Because I use this one is this is a kindling hatchet. Straight, so that's a lot better. A little bit more here. So there you go guys. Keep the grinder, all great for all sorts of stuff. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.